Take a ride in the 2018 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front-wheel drive, LED headlights, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.